Hello students, myself Akshay Mishra and today we are going to study the topic trigonometry. First of all, we have to know that what does trigonometry terms means. For that, we have to break the trigonometry term in three terms called trigono and metron, where tri terms represent 3, gono term represent sides and metron term represent measurement. So that the trigonometry terms means 3-side measurement. In trigonometry, we have to deal with the 3-side figure that call a triangle. But we have to study only about right angle triangle because the trigonometry is only applicable in a right angle triangle. So we have to take a right angle triangle ABC. In a right angle triangle, there is always a 90-degree angle present in a right angle triangle. So we have to identify the 3 sides of a right angle triangle because in right angle triangle specific sides have their specific names. So we have to identify which of the sides are hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. That are the 3 sides of rectangle. So we have to identify which side of a right angle triangle is hypotenuse and which side is perpendicular and which side is base. There is a simple trick. The hypotenuse is always present in front of a 90-degree angle, but the perpendicular is depend on the other two angles that called theta 1, theta 2. If we have to study the triangle from that angle, that is theta 1, then the perpendicular is always present in the front of theta 1 and the other side is called base. But if we have to study the triangle from this angle, then the perpendicular shift from there to here, that is CB, and the rest one is base. This is an important concept of right angle triangle which we use later in the topic trigonometric ratios. So we start the topic trigonometric ratios. Now students, we are going to start our first topic trigonometric ratios. For that we have to take a right angle triangle, that is A, B and C. That triangle is angled at angle B. So we know that the side just opposite to the 90-degree is hypotenuse and we study this triangle from that angle theta. So our perpendicular is front of theta and rest one is base. Now what does trigonometric ratio means? It means it is the ratios. There are some ratios present in a trigonometric, and which ratios? The ratio of side of a triangle. So we take some ratios of the side of a triangle, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. It is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Now we take the ratio of base upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse. Now we take the ratio of perpendicular upon base. Also we have hypotenuse upon perpendicular, we have hypotenuse upon base, we have base upon perpendicular. There are 6 ratios that can be drawn from a side of a triangle. In trigonometry, these ratios are specifically named such that the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse called sine of theta, perpendicular ratio of base upon hypotenuse called cos of theta, perpendicular upon base, the ratio of perpendicular upon base is called tan of theta. The ratio of hypotenuse to the perpendicular called cosec of theta. Similarly, hypotenuse upon base called sec of theta and base upon perpendicular finally called cot of theta. These are the ratios of trigonometry. So students, we are going to study the practical application of trigonometric ratios. How trigonometric ratios help us to identify the different height of the object. Now we have to take an example of a tree, of height h that stand vertically on the ground. The angle between the tree and the ground is 90-degree. Now if we want to measure the height of the tree with the help of trigonometry, so we have to measure the distance between foot of the tree and any point on the ground P, say 20 meter. Now we join the point to the top of the tree, we get an angle theta that also we must know to measure the height of a tree. Now we are going to apply trigonometric ratios concept in this situation. From that figure we get a right angle triangle ABC in which the side in front of theta is always perpendicular, rest one is base, and the side opposite to the 90 degree is hypotenuse. We have to find the perpendicular with the help of that angle and that base. So we apply the ratio of tan theta in a triangle ABC. The ratio of tan theta is perpendicular upon base. We have tan theta. Say theta is equal to 45. Now tan 45 is equal to perpendicular, that is height, upon base is 20. Students, the value of tan 45 that you know in next topic, that it's 1. So we put the value of tan 45 1 and we get the equation 1 is equal to h upon 20. We cross multiply this equation and get h is equal to 20 into 1, that is 20 meter. That's how we get the height of a tree with the help of trigonometric ratios.